Hello, dear traders and investors. The analytical community is in touch with you, Guru Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. A little further, we will look at each indicator in more detail. If you want, you can pause the video. You can study each parameter of the corporation in question more closely. Now we will compare the current fundamental indicators of the company Alphatec Holdings Inc, ticker ATEC. The review is based on data as of August 19, 2025. According to Classification.GURU.Markets, company Alphatec Holdings Inc belongs to the subcategory Specialized Medical Equipment. 44 companies take part in the comparison. See the order table at the end of this video. The overall result for the company under study, -7 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 3.6 points. Looking at it broadly, within the US stock market as a whole, we can see that the average result for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 7 points for the company Alphatec Holdings Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Alphatec Holdings Inc. and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months the stock's Alphatec Holdings Inc. showed a dynamics of 157.4%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 26.9%. Market capitalization of the company Alphatec Holdings Inc. amounts to $2.35 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $318 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.01 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $63 billion. By comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Alphatec Holdings Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.738%. Book value capitalization is 0.023%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The company's debt obligations amount to $0.182 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 1,237% of the company's capital. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very bad, -2 points. The balance of the company's stock price to its profit is 0. Average for the subcategory is 86.1. Evaluation of the stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$166 million. The forecast profit for the next 12 months is preliminary $33 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 3.4. Average for subcategory 6. Evaluation of the market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $680 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of expected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The sales margin is -24.3%, with an average of 7% in the subcategory. Marginality assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, -0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 0.563%. This is 31% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $2,707,000. And for the subcategory, $2,066,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is minus negative $191.5 thousand. Average in the subcategory, $24,000. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Toilet, minus 0.5 points. The share of sales per employee of the company is $787,000. Subcategory, $344,000. Sales per employee rating compared to subcategory figures, passable, minus 0.5 points. Short shares account for 11.4% compared to the subcategory average of 2.9%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 76% for the company Alphatec Holdings Inc. Whereas in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is approximately 52%. The company's current stock price is approximately $15.87. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $18.96. Let's look at the order table, which is available to everyone. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made by the information and reference system in a given season. Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's assessment Alphatec Holdings Inc. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open sell order at $15.86 per share. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a relatively poor rating and price movement. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment criteria, the ATEC index. Take profit is set at 10.47. Stop loss is set at 21.25. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order will be closed automatically at the end of exchange trading on September 18, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker, KFRC, will be the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the basic or balancing one, another order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you very much audience for watching this video and for using the help system Guru.Markets.